Welcome back to the Chicken Man Show. Alright, I ain't even record us building this pig pen. But I got a pig now. See how big my coaching done got? Coaching done got big, man. Coaching done got big. I put them off up in here with the pig because they grow up together. I guess they'll get along. They won't be beefing with each other. They'll get along. And if you don't understand what beefing is me getting into it. Getting into it is being fighting all the time. Or the pig trying to. Because I have seen a video where a pig did eat a chicken. But it's a baby pig. This ain't no grown pig. So I guess mingling them in together while they young, they'll learn how to coexist with each other. Notice where I got this pig from, they say it was registered. It's a registered pig. Get off her foot, man. The only thing I got going, I'm trying to get it unskittish of me. Cause some got real skittish. It be running all over my chickens and stuff. I don't like that. Cause that some gun got to be at least about, I give about 60 pounds. Probably 60 pounds. Yeah, probably 60 pounds. If that. Could be less or could be more. Really don't know. Know it been raining a lot. I'm trying to get it from rooting so much, so I try to keep that feed off up in there for it. But I think about putting a ring in the nose to keep it from rooting so much. Cause I don't need it rooting all like this. I made a big old pen so I could try to section it off. Yeah, keep sectioning it off. So, y'all have a good one. I was just giving y'all an update on my new pig. Y'all have a good one.